division. This is our dividend, 6x raised to 4 plus 5x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 9. If missing term is here, then write that missing term with coefficient 0. Okay. Now our divisor x square minus 1. X square minus 1. So we have taken here missing term with coefficient 0. X square, then we want here degree 1 plus 0x raised to 1 minus 1. Now we take this first term of our dividend, 6x raised to 4, and first term of our divisor. Then we use laws of indices. When division, then we write here subtraction, 6x raised to 4 minus 2. 6x square. Immediately write here. Okay. Now we take this and we multiply to our divisor, x square plus 0x minus 1, 6 x raised to 4, 6 into 0, 0, x square into x raised to 1, x cube, 6 into minus 1, minus 6, x square, nothing here, so x square. All these three terms exactly below we write here. Then minus 6x square. Did you get it? Then subtraction, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, cancel. 5 minus 0 means 5x cube. Here plus 3x square, now forget minus, plus 6x square. What is? Take these terms below. Now take this 5x cube, first term. Therefore
5x raised to 3 minus 2.
very good. 5x raised to 1. There is no need to write 1. We take this and multiply to this means divisor. Minus 1, 5x cube plus 0x square minus 5x. All these three terms we write here. Minus 5x. Then subtraction. So double horizontal line. This is unique method and this is our method. This is our method. Plus, minus, same terms. Cancel. 9 minus 0 and x square plus 5x. Forget this sign. Did you get it? Take this remaining. Now Didi, what is next step?
9x.
Dada,
9x square
9x square
upon x square.
upon
X square. Sir, question.
quotient. Very good. Quotient. This, then this. Now this. Cancelled. So there is no need to use laws of indices. X square. Cancelled. We take this 9 again and our divisor 9x square. First I will write here our quotient. 9 into 0, 0 minus 9 into minus 1, minus 9. All three terms we write here again. Therefore, double horizontal line minus plus minus cancel. 10x minus 0x, 10x minus plus, forget this side. So here also 0. Did you get it? Now this is our remainder. Now degree of variable x is 1 and here at divisor maximum degree is 2. So we stop here our division. Therefore we write here quotient and remainder. Quotient is equal to 6x square plus 5x plus 9 and remainder is equal to 10x. Did you get it?
Yeah.